This week, we need to talk about something that's tough but incredibly important. If you've seen the recent headlines, you know layoffs are happening everywhere. A lot of talented, hardworking people are suddenly finding themselves out of a job, and for most, it's no fault of their own. And while I truly hope you never have to go through the stress and uncertainty of being laid off, it's always good to be prepared. Whether you've been retrenched recently or want to help someone close to you, knowing what to do next can make all the difference. Today, we are sharing 5 key steps you should take if you're retrenched. These aren't just about landing another job, they're about protecting your well-being and setting yourself up for success. And let me say this up front, the 5th step is by far the most important one. It's the one that will keep you grounded and mentally strong, no matter what lies ahead. So let's dive in and talk about these 5 steps to help you not just recover, but thrive. Let's start with step 1, take time to process. Losing a job can be overwhelming, and it's completely normal to feel a mix of emotions, whether it's stress, sadness, or even anger. My advice? Don't rush. Give yourself a few days to reflect and regroup. Remember, retrenchment is often a business decision, not a reflection of your skills or worth. Once you've taken that time, you'll feel more focused to take the next steps. Next, step 2, review your finances. This is so important. Sit down and look at your savings, your monthly expenses, and any upcoming bills. Creating a budget can help you feel more in control during this uncertain time. Maybe you cut back on non-essentials or plan out how long your savings will last. It's not fun, I know, but it'll give you peace of mind as you navigate your next steps. Step 3 is all about getting your job search materials ready. Take the time to update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Highlight your accomplishments, focus on measurable results, and tailor them to the roles you're interested in. Your LinkedIn is especially important, it's often the first thing recruiters look at. And hey, if you need help with your resume or LinkedIn, we are offering a complimentary review. Just click on the link in the description below. Now, step 4, create a routine. Job hunting can feel like a full-time job, so structure your day. Set small, manageable goals, like applying for 5 jobs, attending 1 webinar, or reaching out to a new connection. Building a routine keeps you productive and motivated. And don't forget to celebrate those small wins, it all adds up. Finally, step 5, take care of your mental health. Job searching can be stressful, so it's important to make time for yourself. Exercise, spend time with loved ones, or do something that brings you joy. Remember, you're not just looking for your next role, you're also taking care of your future self, and that includes your mindset. A positive outlook can make all the difference. These 5 steps, processing the situation, managing your finances, updating your resume, building a routine, and caring for your mental health, can set you up for success after retrenchment. Remember, this is just one chapter in your journey, and the next one is yours to create. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more career tips. And if you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below or reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.